Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to take the class 8. The topic is square root and cube root. Square means if a number, take any natural number, if you multiply twice, the product is nothing but the square. Square root means if any number is repeated twice, we will call that one as square root. Cube means if you multiply any natural number 3 times, that product is nothing but the cube of that number. Cube root means the reverse of cube. For any cube, if the number is repeated, if you multiply 3 times, that is called as cube root. Today we are going to solve some problems on square roots and cube roots. A natural number is called a perfect square if it is the square of some natural number. That is m equal to n square. Then m is a perfect square where m and n are natural number. A natural number is called perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural numbers. That is m equal to n cube. Number obtained when a number is multiplied by itself is called the square of the number. Number obtained when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times are called cube number. Squares and cubes of even numbers are even. These are some points related to square roots and cube roots. The square of an even number is square only. Cube of even number is even. Square of odd number is odd. Cube of odd number is odd. A perfect square can always be expressed as the product of pairs of prime factors. Now we studied square and square roots. On that we are solving some problems. See here, check whether 90 is a perfect square or not by using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means we have to take only the prime numbers. 90. 90 is divisible by 2. So take 2 here. In 2 table where you will get 92, 45. Then again 3 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. So what is the product of prime numbers of 90? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here 3 is repeated 2 times. But 2 and 5 are not repeated, are not occurring in pairs. So that's why it is not a perfect square. Now, here we are checking one more problem. Here we are checking 1728 is a perfect cube by using prime factorization. What are the prime factors of 1728? 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 and 3 are repeated 3 times. For cube, it should repeat 3 times. So it is a perfect cube. Now we are finding out how to find out the square of a given number. Use it, but here I am using the distributive law. What is the distributive law? A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. And with the help of distributive law, I am finding out the square of 43. 43 is the, what is the expansion form of 43? 40 plus 3. Now we are finding out the square, so we have to keep 43 square. 43 means 40 plus 3 whole square. Now 40 plus 3 into 40 plus 3. I will use the distributive law. 40 into 40 plus 3 plus 3 into 40 plus 3. 40 into 40 into 40, 40 into 3. 3 into 40, 3 into 3. 40 into 40, 1600. 43 is a 120. 3 into 40, 120. 120 plus 120, 240. 3 3 is a 9. If you add all these, you will get 1849. What is the square of 43? 43 square is nothing but 1849. Now, we studied how to find out the square root by the prime factorization method. We are having one more method, that is long division method, to find out the square root of 22.09. Here I will take 22.09. For this long division method, we are having a square table. What is that square table? Means 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Like that we have to take the square table. Here we have to couple the two numbers. I will take 22. 4 4s are 16. 22 minus 16 is 6. Here whatever you got the number, add that number. 4 plus 4, n. In ones place you are having 9. Where you will get 9 in the square table, either 3 3s are or 7 sevens. I will check with the 7. After 8 I will give the 7. This 87 should be multiplied with the 7 only. 87 into 87 is 609. 600 minus 609 0. So therefore the square root of 22.09 is 4.7.